Here in Benilde, innovation begins with inclusion, and that's reflected in our library design. Welcome to the newly redesigned spaces of the Brother Fidelis Leddy Center for Learning Resources, the CLR. Each detail of the CLR is designed to support every kind of learner. Here are some reasons why CLR is a learning space like no other. The soft whites and blue-green color of the walls create a calm, visual environment. Hue becomes a language for inclusion. These colors are thoughtfully chosen to support our deaf learners, making it easier for them to sign and communicate without the distraction of a busy background. True to the universal design for learning principles, the setup here is customizable. Chairs of various shapes, sizes, and styles can be moved, rearranged, and adapted to meet the needs of each learner. We believe that learning has no single shape, just as no two learners are ever the same. Some might call for solitary deep focus, while others require interaction and collaboration. This is why CLR has dedicated spaces for both. For undistracted study, we have the Think Hub. It features well-lit nooks with adjustable chairs and tables, laptops, and fast Wi-Fi connection. The Think Hub is wheelchair accessible and can be reserved for attending online classes or for working solo on assignments. For meetings and discussions, students can use the many collaboration pods available, where they can work on creative projects together or just discuss how they can turn their ideas into reality. Of course, learning is not limited to reading books. CLR encourages play too. After all, having fun is a powerful way to discover the world and how it works. CLR puts this into action by offering the latest board games, where learners can play freely with their friends and classmates and recharge after an intense study session. True inclusion means accessibility of facilities, especially for differently abled learners. CLR's aisles are intentionally wide and open, so wheelchair users can browse and interact with the collection comfortably. At the CLR Atrium campus, the flooring tiles across hallways and entrances are tactile paths, so our blind and low vision learners can move more independently and confidently through the space. This is tactile learning in motion, and it reminds us that intelligence comes in many forms. It can also be through touch, movement, or experience. Speaking of sense of touch, at CLR's Material Resource Hub, or MRH, in the Design and Arts campus, research becomes more tangible. Tactile materials such as textiles, woods, and metals are showcased for students to see and feel firsthand, making it a more experiential learning environment. The MRH is made possible by a partnership with the Department of Science and Technology, Philippine Council for Industry, Energy, and Emerging Technology Research and Development, giving Benildians access to a collection of specialized materials for research and hands-on learning. With this facility, ideas and theories read in books become tangible objects that can be explored. Innovative design is more than aesthetics. It should be innovation that matters. Innovation for inclusion. Benilde libraries are not just repositories of books. They're spaces that inspire and empower every learner. This is the Brother Fidelis Leddy Center for Learning Resources, where innovation meets inclusion. A library like no other for Benildian learners like no other.